La Pynlong yak regional workshop Halor ka challenges and opportunities in millet cultivation NER perspective negasngi ha Pynlong jong ka College of Community Science CAU Imphal ha Tura. La Pynlong yak ni ka workshop haringkat ka jinges nok tilang bat ka AICRP on a sorghum and small millets ICAR IIMR Hyderabad. Kinong wat benya bat kinong rep na keleng jong kathan chatay lam mingi kelay don lang bat banya phaliu jingmut halor ka jingmentoy ban rep ya ukrai ha kathan ki jingekren ba kongsan ki kinthop ya ki jingekren halor ki jingmentoy jong ukrai na ka benta ka kwat ka khia ka jingla banya khun persha ya ka jingkala ka sunmeneng bat ki jing e ha ka jingrep ka ba kane ka jingelang kala pelet jingmut ru halor ka jingpen bha ya ki jingthung ka jingpen ya habdor bat kilat kilenti ban penya yo ya ki palat chispa san phongut kilayawan management ha kane ka workshop ka bakenthop ya ki nong rep ki nong sengkam sengjam ki nong thau an bat ki riu pau khman.
We have also received directives from the Government of India to increase use of millets in our staple diet on day-to-day basis. At present, we have set a target of 30% use of millets in our diets. You are well aware that we follow the community fooding system and around 100, 150, 200 Johns, they have the regular meals at one place. So increasing the percentage to 30% by replacing the wheat and rice, you can well imagine the impact on the economy of doing the farming of the cereals. The